Welcome back, guys. Today we are not planking.
No, we're not. So we're actually doing casing and framing around all the windows and all the doorways, right?
Yes.
So it's going pretty smooth so far. We got that big window knocked out. It went fairly easy, right?
Yes.
Did you think?
Yeah, it looks so great too. I mean, what a difference that makes. I'm no longer distracted when I look at the window by the whole mess that's going on around it, and now you can really just enjoy what the view is.
Yes. So we got that done. Now we got to go and start banging these doors out.
Yes. First we're starting the little window. Yes. Little kitchen window, and then we're gonna move on to like the openings that go down the hallway.
Yep. Cool.
All right. Good stuff.
Let's get rocking.
Amazing how a little bit of trim work can make such a difference, isn't it?
That's good. I'm ready to start the casing on both these doors right here. The way they're set up right now, the doorways, or the openings, are a little too tall because we still want to put crown molding that goes on the wall and up to the ceiling around that room. And putting casing on right now with crown molding, it's not going to work because that opening is just too tall. So we're going to drop it down, put a couple 2x4s in underneath both those openings, drop everything down to do our casing, and then later on, when it's time to do the crown molding, we can install it then.
Supervisor here.
quarter inch much, man. Got a quarter inch. It's spotted too. Not half cut that.
Can't win them all, Josh. Don't worry, you still get your little Debbie at the end of the day.
I'm gonna get you.
So the last doorway that we're going to be working on casing today is this one behind us. This is eventually going to be the bathroom. For now, it's our storage area for tools, so it is a bit of a disaster of a mess.
It is. So we'll start the casing on this side, do this right here, and not go in there because I don't think Erin can fit her hips between that side of the door and that shelf right there. I can, but I don't think she can.
Yeah, it's a tight squeeze for him inside the shower in the camper. Oftentimes I have to slip in there and grease him up just so he can turn around and, you know, wash his hair. This shower should work for him though, once we finish it.
What else are we doing?
Okay, so this door is going to be a barn-style sliding door.
Yes.
So the casing on this door is going to be a little bit different, and until we get the barn-style door in there, it's probably going to look a little bit funky. Yes. Because it's not going to be like centered.
The casing's going to go from this portion of the door, but it's going to go past this side and go all the way to the end. So that's going to hold, I guess, the hinge for the barn-style door that slides.
Yes.
So it's going to go up there. It's going to look funky, but it has a purpose.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So. All right, guys, we got a lot of the casing done around a lot of the entryways and the windows, so it's actually making this place look a lot more finished. The kids are very excited because it's starting to look like a house now versus a job site, right?
Yeah, all those little finishing touches. Like right now, it feels like each day we're actually getting a little bit closer to
visually getting closer too. It makes it look like we're getting closer. We're getting farther along. It's pretty awesome.
It is. So real quick, before you guys go, we thought it would be a good time to take you on a walkthrough of the house so that you could get a better feel for the layout of the house and the floor plan. It's been a while since we've done that. I mean, several months. I don't think we did it since last spring. So, and a lot of you are new, so we figured let's take you through so that you guys can have an idea of what's going on with the house and also our plans for the backside of the house.
Yeah, because as of right now, this place is not big enough for all 5 of us. It's pretty much one room and a loft. So we're just trying to build this portion so we can get out of that camper and live in here while we build the backside of the house, which is going to be the entire bedroom wing and all that good stuff.
Yes, yeah. The plan, we knew that it was probably best for us to just tackle this portion of the build right off so that we could finish it and move it in. And because if we had tried to do the entire thing at once, one, it would have been hard for us to fund it as we go along with cash. And second of all, I mean, just look at where we're at right now. Can you imagine if we had a whole nother side of the house and we wouldn't be here?
No, we'd still be 2 years out from moving in. So now having this like this, we're actually a few months out from moving in, which is great.
Yes.
So.
All right, let's go, guys.
Yep. Where I'm standing at now is the back doors, how we're getting in and out of the house as of right now. This will actually be a hallway that goes towards the bedroom wing once that side gets built up. So I'm actually standing right here inside the laundry room. We have a washer and a dryer. Have countertop space for laundry, all that good stuff. I'm going to come around this way. We're actually going to have to still build a small little closet right here. We're going to put a hot water heater and all that good stuff. So right back on this way
is the opposite end of the laundry room or mud room that Josh was just in. He was over there. This side is, right now it's Ellie's little playroom. We put a little bed and whatnot in here so that she could like rest during the day if we're out here working. It's worked out really great. She's got all her toys back here. But while the back portion of the house is being built, this is actually where Josh and my bed will be.
Yes.
We're gonna be able to have some privacy because over here we're gonna have a barn style sliding door. So it's going to be closed off. We'll have our own little space. The barn style sliding door is also going to be able to cover this panel that's here. So it works out well. So if you follow us this way out of the laundry room, you're going to come right into what will eventually be our pantry room. So the plan is to have floor to ceiling storage in here for anything like homeschool supplies, arts and crafts supplies for the kids, puzzles, all that kind of stuff, as well as any sort of like, you know, canned food or whatever we need to put in here for now, kitchen, you know, like appliances, that sort of thing. For right now, until it becomes a pantry room, this is going to be Ellie's little space, so she'll have her bed and everything that she needs in here. So across the hall from Ellie, you're gonna see the bathroom. Currently
the bathroom is being used for tool storage and I guess a few miscellaneous materials. So we have a full-size bathroom, full walk-in shower, everything we need. So now it's going towards the front of the house.
This is our main entryway behind us. Right now there's no steps or porch leading up to it because we're just not at that point in the build. So like Josh said, we're just using the back door as our main entrance right now until that's built on. So as you walk into the front door, you can see we have a fireplace here that'll be covered in stone. It'll have our wood stove there. Above that is the loft, which is the boys' temporary bedroom until the bedroom wing of the house gets built on. And that is the hallway back there that we just came from.
So now we're standing in the kitchen. It's gonna be a full wraparound kitchen that comes around out that way with an island in the center.
And lastly is the main portion of the house. This is where our family room is going to be, our couch and just our cozy hangout spot, right where all of these windows are, which is eventually going to open up to a deck.
Yes, a big deck. We still gotta do some casing out there. We gotta change that sliding glass door out that we got for free. We got to put French doors in there. We're still waiting on the French doors to be here.
So that's it for this portion of the house that we have built so far. I drew a little chicken scratch drawing for you guys to see what our plans are for the back side of the house. So
it's a rough layout. It's not the exact layout we're doing. We're gonna have a stairwell on the back side that goes to the loft, all that stuff. She'd put it in there. She's giving the guys a general idea of what's gonna go on the back side.
Yes. So this is the basic idea for the bedroom wing of the house. This is currently going to be built on off of where our laundry room is back here. This is the back door that Josh showed you that we are currently entering the house from. So if you were to walk out this back door, you could turn left and go into our office, or you're gonna be able to turn right and go into an expanded mudroom for food storage, freezers, that sort of thing. You could continue on through that room and exit the house completely to go into the garage. Or if we go back to the hallway, we can continue down the hallway, enter into one of our boys' bedrooms, which is going to have a shared bathroom that leads to the other boys' bedroom. So both of these guys, of course, will have their own doors coming into their bedroom and then a shared bathroom in between. On the opposite side of the hallway, you're gonna have our daughter's bedroom. She'll have her own bathroom, and we will have our master bedroom with our own bathroom. So as Josh said, we are missing a few things from that whole layout that I gave you. I know it was a rough drawing, but just to give you an idea of where we are headed with everything. We plan on doing more high-pitched ceilings and different things to maximize the views from the different bedrooms. So we're excited about it. It's obviously a while off for us because we need to finish this part of the house first.
Yeah, so when we move into here, I guess our main goals are the main entrance to the house and also the front deck.
Yes.
Once all that stuff's done, we're gonna be, I guess, doing photos on the backside.
Yes.
That's gonna be hopefully early summer. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Nothing ever goes as fast as planned. You guys know that. Yep. But we're making our way and we're getting through there. So hopefully it was helpful for you guys to see the walkout and
walk through.
The walkthrough.
Okay.
I'm dreaming about that deck already, you know? So thanks for watching, guys. That's it.
Yep, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
I said a womp bop and do bop.
Tutti frutti. Tutti frutti.
All right. No, you're not.